Let's do one more example here of looking at what long division. Obviously, every example we do, we add one more element to it. So when you see it out in the real world, out in the wild, you know what to do. We want to divide that. So what we do is let's set it up in the long division algorithm form. So I know it's going to be 3x squared minus 2x divided by, look for my highest term, x to the fourth, plus 5x cubed, plus, notice something? I need to have every term representative as a placeholder and there's no x squareds. What should I do? I better add a placeholder. So I have 0 x squareds plus a 3x minus a 5. Notice that? Well, I should have a placeholder. I don't know if I should, a little light. I need to have a placeholder everywhere down the road. All right, now from there, let's go ahead and divide through. 3x squared is my first term. And so 3x squared times what makes a 6x to the fourth? And that would be a 2x squared. I'm going to put the x squared above my x squared placeholder. That's why we have it. And let's look what we have. 2x squared times 3x squared gives me a 6x to the fourth. 2x squared minus 2x gives me a negative 4x cubed. Subtract my terms, and I have 5x minus a 4x cubed gives me a 9x cubed. Drop my 0x down, and now I begin again. So 3x squared divided into 9x cubed produces a positive, I'm going to line it up right, positive 3x. So 3x times 3x squared is 9x cubed. 3x times a negative 2x gives me a negative 6x squared. Subtract this entire term from above. So 9x cubed, take away 9x cubed. 0x squared, take away a negative 6x squared, produces a positive 6x squared. Don't let that trip you up. Drop down, what's next term? Drop down to 3x. Let's do it again. 3x squared divided into 6x squared produces just a 2. 2 times a 3x squared is a 6x squared. 2 times a negative 2x is a negative 4x. Subtract 3x minus a negative 4x gives me a 7x. Drop down my last term, which is a negative 5. There's my remainder. I can't find any 3x squared. That divides into 7x. So here's my complete remainder. And what am I left with? I'm left with my quotient, which is 2x squared plus 3x plus a 2 plus my remainder, which is a 7x minus 5 all over 3x minus 2x. And there's my result using long division. Sorry, I just noticed one mistake. 3x, I just didn't write it down right. There's a 3x squared right there. I know somebody in the comments was going to leave that, so let me fix that right now.